Hello everybody, thank you for joining me. I am just about to leave the yard and I'm going to be going to Bristol, or just outside Bristol. I've actually got to go through the city centre because of width limits and weight limits on roads and stuff like that, which is a little bit annoying, but it is what it is. Need to go get some fuel. Luckily there's a fuel station I can use on the way because we've got to go along the 303 and up towards Swindon that way. Yeah, I'd have to go the other way to use the usual garage, so we're going to go to a different one today. Yeah, I haven't got enough to make it to Leigh Delamere and get fuel on the way along the M4, which is a little bit annoying, but yeah, we'll be fine. So yeah, let's get cracking. Just getting to the bottom of the M32. I've still got quite a way to go, about another 10-11 miles if my sat nav is accurate to where exactly it is. I'm hoping to be able to drop this machine. Yeah, but as you can imagine, bottom of the M32, Bristol Centre, it's a little bit busy, and I think potentially I'm going to be in the wrong lane down here. Not ideal, but got to try and get over at some point. Oh no, we might be alright. We might be alright. Yeah. I think I'm in the right lane still. No, I actually think I'm in the wrong lane. Let's try and get over. This car's going to let me come over, which is very nice of them. Oh, they wanted to come over this way anyway, so nobody appears to be able to get in the right lane here. I haven't been through Bristol with the truck for quite a while. Careful of that bus lane, don't want to get a ticket for going in there. I'm going to start coming over a little bit, just to pinch a little bit more room, let this car that's next to me come past. But I mind this bus as well, because they just come from any direction they want to. Now the sat nav's having a hissy fit because it thinks I'm on a different road because of all the tall buildings. That's not helpful. I was wondering why the sat-nav brought me this way, but it does actually make sense. It avoids, if I'm remembering correctly, Bristol Temple Meads train station area, which I'm okay with. It's always busy there. So many traffic lights. This lorry's trying to come over, let's give them a little bit more room. Make sure it's all clear, no one's trying to cross last second. Be over there, I think. Yeah. Yeah. That's the trouble with all of this. I hope this is right. Because if not, it's going to be causing an issue. There's a lorry coming the other way, so that's always a good sign. Still got a little bit of a way to go, so yeah, I'll catch you when I'm there. Right, nearly at the place where I'm hoping to be able to drop these machines. It's a job that's being done overnight, so yeah, there's not going to be anybody here to tell me where they want it dropped. If yeah, I can't drop it where we're planning on leaving it. Guessing the roadworks are being done on this corner here. Yeah, this is where the roadworks are being done. You can tell. And there's a load of machines there. Yeah. I don't want to stop here because that'll cause a little bit more issue. Just put my flashy lights on because there's not space for me to get into the works access area because of where those machines are. You can see them behind the traffic lights, and there's a lot of traffic here, which is not ideal. to get the attention of one of the guys, and so they now know that I'm here. But yeah, they're saying to go up and turn around, so let's go do that. So, yep, been down, turned around, here on site now, and yeah, someone asked the other day for some chest mount views of the unchaining and chaining and stuff like that. So yeah, let's see how this turns out. I'm not sure how it's going to go, but yeah, see what it looks like. Whilst we're this side, we'll get these chains undone. Chuck them up and out of the way a minute. Way round. There we go. Chuck that up and out the way. That one up and out the way now. Hook that one here. Round to this side. There we go. That's better. Chuck that up there. That up out the way. There we go. Step up here. Right, let's climb in. Get this door shut. There we go. Right. We're all unchained. We've got some revs going. Let's get a little bit more going. Right. It is going to be unloading downhill. So, as soon as I release this handbrake, it's probably going to start rolling. Keep it straight as possible. Yeah, there we go. Just going to take it nice and slow, let the revs just trickle and keep it as straight as I can. Yeah. I'm not sure what you can see, but this is more unnerving than doing the pavers, I think, because you sit right at the edge on this. You can sit at the edge when you do the pavers, but oh.
gets onto the metal bits of the ramps, because it's metal wheels, it just slides. But now we're on the tarmac, we'll still just take it nice and slow. Well, that went easier than I expected. Let me know what you thought of the chest cam footage, if I've used much of it at all. I'm not sure how it's going to turn out, so yeah, I'll work on that if it's something that you guys want to see when I'm chaining up and loading and unloading and all of that sort of stuff. Gives you a different perspective on it, I guess. But yeah, back to the yard now. It's going to take me, depending on the traffic through Bristol, a couple of hours to get there. And then I've got to load some kit up to go to the other side of Andover, to the farm that we went to a few weeks ago. They're on their next stage of tarmacking up there on their loading area. So yeah, some bits to take up there. Stopped in Lee Delamere Services to have a break because I wasn't going to make it back without one. I got a phone call from the boss just as I was leaving saying, can you please take your truck and trailer straight to the garage to have its 6-weekly check. If they can do it straight away, then we'll leave you there and you can wait for it to be done, because it'll only take an hour and a half, and I can give them a hand doing some of it as well. Sit in the cab and do the brakes and the lights and stuff for them, and if not, we'll get someone to come and pick you up. So yeah, on the way to the mechanics now and see what happens when I get there.